food for the soul. Who is a hypocrite? Let's read Bible verse, Matthew chapter 23, verse 3, English Standard Version. So do and observe what they tell you, but not the works they do, for they preach, but do not practice. Being a hypocrite is not doing what you teach or preach. If what you do is the opposite of what you say, you are a hypocrite.